Alright, today we're setting up our copper farm. This one's going to give us a steady supply of chromatic metal. No more manual mining runs. Earlier we found this S-class copper deposit, and now we're turning it into a proper setup. Starting with a clean foundation. No terrain edits this time. Just solid ground that won't shift later. Next up, extractors, power, and storage. I'm starting by placing the extractors evenly across the hotspot, keeping the spacing clean so we can expand later if needed. I always like getting the layout right at this stage. It saves a lot of hassle later when wiring things up. The supply depots go in next, lined up close to the extractors. Then we start adding solar panels and a few batteries, enough to keep things running once the sun comes up. Wiring everything neatly takes a bit of patience, but I'd rather take a few extra seconds to keep it tidy. Every connection has to flow right. Extractors to depots, power to the grid, making sure nothing's left out. The whole setup is finally coming together now, and it's looking pretty solid. Everything's connected, powered, and ready to go once we get some sunlight. Still night here, so the panels aren't doing much yet. Everything's in standby. But once the sun rises, this thing will churn out about 4,000 units of copper per cycle. Not bad for an early stage farm. With the system ready, we're taking that copper and refining it down into chromatic metal, the good stuff that powers upgrades and builds. And that's it, another piece of our little infrastructure puzzle done. Between the oxygen farm and this copper setup, we've now got a smooth flow of resources ticking away quietly in the background. Feels good to see it all coming together.